Myself Arthur Clive, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about impression die forging. So, how the impression will get from the die forging. So, this is the impression die forging. So, we can see the impressions. So the force is applying on a upper part of the die. So the lower part of the die is very stationary. Okay. So when we are applying the force on the upper die, what will happen? The bar will change the size or shapes. It will form the deformation. So this is the impressions die forging. So in impression die forging, the workpiece obtain the shape of the die cavities while being forged between two or more dies containing impressions of the part shape. The metal flow is restricted by the die counters. This process can produce more complex shapes with close tolerance than open die forging process. So most of the engineering metals and alloys such as carbon and alloy steel, tools, steel and stainless steel, aluminum and copper alloys and certain titanium alloys can be forged by a conventional impression die in this process. So in this process there are some materials that flows outwards and forms a flash. So the flash plays a significant role in the flow of materials in impression die forging. The thin flash cools rapidly. Because of the frictional resistance, it subjects the material in the die cavity to high pressures, thereby encouraging the filling of die cavity. The blank to be forged is prepared by different means such as cutting or cropping from an executed or drawback stock power metallurgy. Okay. So the blank here, the blank is placed on the lower die and the upper die begins to design. The blank shape gradually changes as it shows in the diagram. Okay. So gradually it changes and it is followed by the creations of the flash between die cavities. So there will be the flash between the two die cavities. So the major advantages of this process is the less metal is not lost for flash. So flash account for 20 to 45 percentage of the starting material. The most disadvantages of this process include additional cost due to the more complex design and need of better lubrications and work placement. Okay, so the impression die forging, the work obtains the shape of the die cavities or impression while being forged between two or more dies containing impressions of the part shapes. So we can find the differences. So 1, 2, 3. So how when we are giving the force to the upper die, so automatically the size will be deformed. So we can see the flash. See, the flash is the extra pieces. So while we are pressing, so what will happen? The flash will form. So this is the center, that is known as the flash. So we can identify in this diagram. So next, closed die forging. So closed die forging. So this is another form of the impression die forging. Okay, it is also called fleshless forging. It is also called fleshless forging. So in this type of forging, the die cavities are completely closed, which keeps the workpiece free from forming flash. So closed die forging is a forging process in which dies move towards each other and covers the workpiece fully and or partially. So the heated material, which is approximately to the shape or size of the final forged part, is placed in the bottom die. The shape of the forging is incorporated in the top or bottom die as a negative image. So when we are applying a force between upper and lower die, the raw material is pressed and form the metal into the required forged form. The process provides precision forging with a close dimensional tolerance. So it is very important for the close dimensional tolerance. Closed die forming is expensive than open die forming. So this is the closed die forming. Okay, thank you. We can discuss next topic, that is the drop forging, in next video.